Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video was kind of requested, but not really, but everyone compliments me on when I do my braids. So I thought I would do a video on how I do my Dutch braids, boxer braids. I don't really know what people call them. I feel like there's 5 million different names for them, but today's video is how I do them, and it's kind of updated. I did a video on how I did my Dutch braids when I first started YouTube, and I do them way differently now. So I hope this tutorial is a little better than that one. So if you want to see how I do my Dutch braids, then keep watching. Before I start the tutorial, I just want to mention some hair products you might want to use or might need. So one being hairspray, just to spray your braids down so they last all day. A hairbrush, obviously mine's gross, please don't mind that. A comb to section out your hair. You might want to use texturizing spray if you want to leave these in overnight or something, so you get a really nice wave. I like the L'Oreal Air Dry Wave Swept Spray. This is a good one. Not Your Mother's also makes a really good one as well. And then a dry shampoo if you need dry shampoo. I've been using this Indie Hair dry shampoo from the brand Scruples. You could use whatever dry shampoo you want, obviously. I like to do Dutch braids second, third day hair, and I like to make them last 1 or 2 days sometimes. So dry shampoo and hairspray could be your best friend for these. So I brushed my hair off camera, and I also just sprayed some dry shampoo. I used this Indie Hair dry shampoo. This is from the brand Scruples. I've been really liking this. I used this in my hair tutorial that I uploaded during Vlogmas. If you guys didn't see that, that will be linked down below. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a comb. It doesn't really matter what comb you use. This is just the comb I keep in my vanity. And I'm going to split my hair down the middle. I kind of like to go a little over because I have a stupid widow's peak. So it's never really exactly down the middle, which I don't really care about. It's no biggie. My hair is never split down the middle evenly either. But again, no biggie. Oh yeah, make sure you get the comb tangled in your hair. What in God's name is going on? Okay, there we go. I think I'm good here. Okay, so next what I like to do once I've sectioned both sides is I just like to tie up the one side that I'm not gonna do yet, just so no hair gets crossed over or anything, because that's always fun. So I did a Dutch braid tutorial I think when I first started YouTube, and I've definitely have gotten better at braiding, and I do them differently now. So I'm going to show you how I've updated this brush. Lovely. Okay, so I like to keep the one ponytail in the front, and then whatever hair I'm about to braid, I bring it to the back, and then I use my fingers to comb it all back. And then sometimes I'll use a rat tail comb to do this part, or because I have these press-on nails on, I'll use the nail, and I kind of just take a section like that. Oh, whoop, though we need this part right here. Like this. And then this part I will split into 3. Are my sections ever even? Absolutely not. But I like the braids to be a little messy looking. So I always take this one and bring that one under first, then this one under, then this one under. And then I'll hold this one with my pinky a lot, and then take my pointer and my thumb to hold this one, and pick up some hair and kind of just use my pointer to brush out some hair and bring that under, and then I'll pick up some more, and I kind of just comb out with my fingers as I go, so there's no loops or anything. And I kind of just keep picking up and going. It's really, really repetitive. And I really just like braid everything to the back. Then like once I get to here, I kind of just take my nail and really scoop up some hair. Brush out hair. The one trick is like always brushing your hair out, I guess, so everything kind of stays flat. I mean, it's, for me, it's never gonna stay perfectly flat. I've just have come to accept that. But if you just also work in like small little sections, that also helps. And then once I get to the point where I have no more hair to pick up, I just bring everything to the front and just braid it until I can't braid anymore. So since my hair is black now, I'm able just to use these really skinny black hair ties. I don't think they look bad because I try to tie it with them like as tight as I possibly can. That is what that looks like, and like you can barely tell like at all that it's there. And then I just kind of start pulling the braid apart because I like my braids to just be big and obnoxious. And there's like this little loop right here, which I just kind of try to like tuck and play with. I haven't seen the back yet. You guys have. God only knows what that's looking like. It doesn't feel too bad. But like if there is anything, I'll take a bobby pin and I'll like push it in and like try to hide any loops or whatever. So yeah, I just kind of keep pulling the braid out, and I'm just gonna speed up this side because it's pretty much the same thing. Okay, so my braids are done. I like how they came out. I sometimes like to just pull down like these little hairs right here, just to give it like that messy effect. I don't like having them perfect. I like my hair to reflect my life mess. So I just want to take a bobby pin. I just have like a random one laying on my vanity that I can't pick up, and I just like to put it like right here, because sometimes I feel like it gets like a little loose and the bobby pin kind of just like tightens it, and I just like hide it in the braid, kind of move it like the braid around and pull it out a little bit more, but that feels good. So now I'm just going to take my Aussie hairspray and spray these babies down. Yeah, those are my braids. And that is it for this Dutch braid tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions on any video you would like to see next, please let me know in the comments down below. Any hair tutorials, makeup tutorials, anything, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. I love getting your comments. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!